Dear learners, in this video lecture 5 on a guide to online courses through SWAYAM for students and faculty of higher education, let us try to understand what are credit courses, and I will also show you on how to calculate up to 40% of the credits required through these online courses. So what is credit courses? As per the UGC credit framework for online learning courses, credit courses are defined as a paper that is being taught for one semester as part of the undergraduate or the postgraduate program in Indian universities, and for which credit transfer is permissible under these regulations. Of course, we students are more familiar with the term paper because this is used in our conventional education, but in the online courses the term course is more used for the paper. Now if you want to search for credit courses through the account that you have created in the SWAYAM portal, you can use the filter that is being provided on the left corner panel. So here, to look for credit courses, you can click on the drop down menu under course credits, and there you can click on yes, and finally a number of credit courses will be shown to you. So how do we define credit? Now credit is defined as a unit or units that is being awarded to a student for a learning outcome. Then how is this unit measured? Now this unit is measured as efforts put in by the student in hours of study to acquire a specified level of learning. So accordingly, I as a coordinator can come up with number of credits depending on the course that I want to share with my learners. So how will you calculate the study hours and convert it into credit units? So as per definition of the UGC credit framework for online learning course through SWAYAM regulation 2016 and 2021, one credit is equivalent to 13 to 15 hours of study efforts put in by a student to acquire this level of learning. So now that you have understood what is a credit and how to calculate a credit, now let us go into the next slide where we will calculate that 40% requirement of credits through the online courses. So how do we calculate the required number of credits to fulfill up to 40% of the credits offered by SWAYAM? Now you can do this by taking 40% of the credits of the total course in a semester that is being offered in a particular program in the conventional mode of teaching. So you need to be aware of how many papers are being offered in the conventional mode of teaching per semester, and what is the credit being offered for each semester in the conventional mode. So now for example, let us say that we have 3 papers in the conventional mode of teaching and each paper carries 4 credits. So the total number of credits for a semester comes to 4 into 3, that is 12 credits. So you will calculate 40% of the 12 credits. That will give you the number of credit required for the online courses through SWAYAM. So now let us look into the next slide on what is being offered in the conventional mode per semester. So here you can see that for the postgraduate, the total number of credit for a semester is 20, whereas for the undergraduate it is 22. Of course, this could differ from institution to institution. So as a learner and as Department SWAYAM mentors, we need to know what is the total number of credits that is being offered in the conventional mode. Now coming to the online. Now in an online course, we need 40%. So 40% of 20 will give how many credits? And 40% of 22 will give how many credits? So for the postgraduate program, this comes to a total of 8 credits through the online course, whereas for the undergraduates, roughly 8 to 9 credits. So once again, thank you dear learners for your patient listening to this video lecture 5, which is very important for you to understand what a credit course is and its definition. And finally, I am hopeful that this video lecture will help you to critically have a wise choice of the credit courses that are being offered on the SWAYAM portal. Happy learning and thank you, and see you in the next video lecture.